Back at it this morning. Are digging the main water line. Yeah, that's how you say it. Whatever. You can hear me, the heater's not blowing in the microphone. So yeah, we're getting lined up. Got to dig on a straight line. Water line ain't doing this. It's a whopping 35 degrees outside. Gave me the sniffles. Great Monday. Great Monday. Digging layers, digging in layers. Got our cluster right there, so I can't hit that. This is probably gonna have a bunch of dirt in it, so I'll just, yep, there's a bunch of dirt in that. I don't like that rover right there. I don't think I'll hit it, but so what we're gonna do is dig it by the set. By set, I mean each pipe. So I'll dig, it's 18-foot pipe to bury. So I'll dig about 20 foot. We'll fly the pipe in, and then I'll push it to home it. It's got a field lock gasket in it, so you ain't gonna bar that thing home. Not in really any rush here. Just getting it done right. Clean this up just a hair. I'll use the rest of that gravel on the side to for bedding that pipe in. Oh, we gotta go down? Pull it. Alright. here. Pipe clamp action. Yeah, it's bell end. A little heavier on the bell end, but you gotta, it's kind of weird how it has to come up. Almost. You like it? Now is this is the fire hydrant valve. Fire hydrant is going to go over yonder. Right there, watch. Oh, just a wee bit, huh? Down. There you go, baby. That's dirt logic, dirt nasty coming straight to you. back to digging. Casey's gonna paint me a line just to where to stop digging. And I'm gonna hop offline. I can home these pipes with that. Fly them in offline. That's kind of wet. I just don't want all this weight on the edge of the trench. All of our water line is laid.
The positive note, Dirt Nasty here. I'm Dirt Nasty, he's Dirt.
Dig Nation 21.
I'm gonna be dig Nasty then, right?
Sure.
I'm gonna dig Nasty.
Oh, for free.
Dig the nation.
Dig that nation.
Edit that.
Well, we got our blow off done right there. We got our hydrant in. We connected to the cluster over there. And we are gonna call it a day. It started raining a little bit, but we'll get over it. So I really appreciate you guys watching. We'll see you next time.